Hello and welcome to my channel, Use of Excel in Economic Research. In my last video, I have tried to explain the tool Anova one-way analysis of variance. Just a recap, I want to show that how can we do this one, how can we perform this one-way analysis of variance. This is the data. Go through data analysis, single factor, since one factor is used, location, okay. Input range, give the input range, level, since the rows are selected, click ok, 5% level. This is the result. On the basis of f statistic as well as the p value, we can able to take the decision that there exists mean difference. Here the null hypothesis is there is no mean difference among the different locations, mean difference of the production of that agricultural product, any product. Here in our example, potato is taken. So on the basis of this p value, we can able to take the decision that there exist mean difference among the different places. Now I want to move the two-way ANOVA. In two-way ANOVA without replication. In two-way ANOVA, we have to consider two factors. That means one is location, this is given in terms of area, and another is the seed variety. Seed varieties are written here. 4 types of seeds are used and 4 different locations. Though there is no hard and fast rule that it should be same. It may be more than 4, 5, 6, or it may also maybe any number. Now how to proceed? Two-way ANOVA means we want to investigate, does there exist any mean difference in the production with respect to two factors. One is here seed variety, another is location. How can we proceed? Go to data analysis, click ANOVA two-way without replication, click OK. The input range is given in this way. Here input range, level is given, the significance level is 0.05, that is 5%, confidence 5% level. Click OK. Here we got the result. Look, on the basis of again p value, rows, columns, this is the sources of variance, sources of variations. So rows, columns and error, we should consider the first two row. So on the basis of p value, since it is just 0.05 and this is 0.0001, so both the factors are significant. That means from the angle of seed variety as well as from the angle of location, that is area, differences in area, there exist mean difference among the production of that agricultural product. Here it is potato. So we can draw in this way that there exists mean difference from both the factors. So this is two-way ANOVA without replication. Now we want to move two-way ANOVA with replication. With replication means here the one factor has come more than one time, so repeatedly. So one important thing we have to consider that there should be equal number of the replicated the variable. If it is 3, so all the factors should be in terms of 3. If it is 4, we have to write 4. Here it is 3, 3, 3, 3. And the important thing is how can we write it in Excel. In Excel we can write it in this way. So this is location, this is the different types of variety which come in more than one time. Thank you. In my next video I am going to show the how can we conduct. Okay, so this is the data structure. How can we proceed? Just as usual, you have to go to data analysis, click, and now it is a two factor with replication. Click here. Okay. we have to give input range. This is the input range, and rows per sample. Since 3 3 3 3, we have to write here 3, then click. The result has come in this way. The source of first, the summary statistics in different location is given. Different location summary statistics is given, and the important table here is sources of variation. Sources of variation, look one thing, all the values, that means from sample, from column and interaction. So from sample means due to variation due to row means seed variety, column means due to location, interaction means this is the interaction means the both factors are working at a time. If we consider both factors working at a time, then what will happen? That means considering all the three factors that is significant, we can say that there exists mean difference. There exists mean difference from the two angles, and with replication there exists mean difference in the production of that agricultural production. Here it is potato. Now we are going to move another example, that is the Manova. So we have done so far Anova one way, Anova two way without replication, with replication, and another part is Manova. Manova means multivariate analysis of variance. Since it is beyond the scope of Excel, we have to go through some SPSS or other kind of software for explaining, for getting the result of multivariate analysis of variance. But it is important how can we write the data in Excel. So this is an example. In this way we can able to write the data in Excel. Here two qualitative variables are taken. One is gender, that means male, female, or as far as student is concerned, boys, girls, and three classes are taken, 9, 10, 11, and marks obtained in different subjects, literature, mathematics, social science. In this way, if we put the data, then we have to convert this data into SPSS or any software, and then we can able to solve the multivariate analysis of variance. It will be shown in my next video, but for this moment it is important to write how can we write or plot the data for conducting Manova analysis, the multivariate analysis of variance.